Sometimes rather than clean or organize, I wish I could just delete stuff from my surroundings. So on visionOS 2, this app could not be released to the App Store because it uses an enterprise API, and specifically it uses the main camera enterprise API, which means that the app has access to the raw camera frames. That's what you see in the heads-up display in the upper right. And with access to those camera frames, it can sample colors from the real world to, for example, paint this wall different colors. I can use the colors that are already there, or I can paint it the color of my hoodie, or the color of Stanley Goodspeed's skin tone. And that's for the walls. For textures, I can sample. So let's say I want to pave my floor, something nice. Let's try and line it up a little bit better. There we go. This app can't be placed on the App Store, but it could be distributed off the App Store for private business use or licensed for enterprise use. That said, if I remove the ability to sample colors and textures from the main camera and preload it with a whole bunch of paint colors and wallpapers and textures for flooring, then I could put that version on the App Store since it's not using the main camera. And that way people could defurnish their surroundings and then paint their walls a new color, put up some new wallpaper and test it out, see what it would look like, or try out some new flooring. I think that that could potentially be useful for a few industries: interior design, construction, home improvement, architecture. And if I go ahead and bring back everything that I disappeared, you can get a feel for the scene reconstruction mesh generated by visionOS 2 in the 2024 Vision Pro. You can see that it's pretty lo-fi. The spatial resolution is quite low. I honestly don't think that's changed much since the iPad Pro got a LiDAR sensor over 5 years ago. I'm unfamiliar with LiDAR sensor hardware. I don't know if there's a basic reason why it hasn't improved much, but I'm hoping that that granularity improves in the near future.